Hello, my name's Stewart, landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. Today I'm in North Seattle, and this is the front lawn here that I've thatched, aerated, seeded, fertilized. I put a bag of soil amendment on here. I'm going to come back about a month's time and just see how this one looks. This one just got a little toasty from the summer. Once again, this is Stewart, Aerating Thatching Company, LawnTuneUps.com. Hi, this is Stewart, Aerating and Thatching Company, LawnTuneUps.com. Today is October 14th, and I'm just driving by to check out a lawn that I had thatched, aerated, seeded, fertilized. I think I put some lime on here, soil amendment, and I call this a full meal deal. I just threw the whole kitchen sink at this front lawn, and I'm really happy. The client is extremely happy about how this lawn has came out. Once again, this is Stewart, Aerating and Thatching Company. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.